So what is the information security? So there are definitions for this. So how many definitions we have it? We have like four different definitions. One, two, three, and fourth one. Okay. What is information security? According to the Title 44 for US Code definitions, it's a practice. Practice for what? Practice means tadrib or mashq or what you call it. Call it like practice means like practicing, like workout on defending information. So you need to keep your information protected from whom? From unauthorized access. Those people who are not authorized to access your computer, software, or the data. Okay. Use or disclosure to show, to copy. Disruption means like change in that one. Modification, changes over there. Perusal, study over there. Inspection, just to see what is going on. Even recording or destruction of your data over there. So this is the one of the definitions from US codes over there. Second definition is about whom by ISO. ISO is an international standard organization, and it defines like this one here. Say information security is defined as a preservation. Preservation means make mahfuz. Mahfuz means keeping preserved, keeping safe. Confidentiality. Confidentiality means sirri, to make the things confidence. Some documents are confident for people, they don't want to show to other people. So make it sirri. Integrity, make it correct and available, make it available to the users over there. So according to the ISO, so it is a preservation of these three CIA. In addition, other properties such as authenticity. Authenticity means username and password. So no one can enter in a system without login ID. And accountability means checking, accountability, audit. Non-repudiation. Non-repudiation means that no one can say that I didn't send this email. For example, if you send an email, so people will know that this email is from you. So you cannot deny that one. So there means some signature. So you need to sign. If you send me a document, so you need to sign for that one. So when you like double check that this information is from the dean or president or some higher authorities, so they have to sign. So the digital signature is represented with the non-repudiation ability, and the reliability can also be involved. So this is another definition for information security according to the ISO over there. When we go to the next definitions, this is by NIST. NIST is a National Institute of Science and Technology. It's a international body, and this independent body, but they are like very good in information system practices. They give good models for information security. So they say that information system security is a system characteristics and set of mechanism. Okay, so they say that it's a system characteristics or set of mechanism, okay, that span the system both logically and physically over there, right? So they take care about the system logically and physically. So the security goals are the integrity, availability, confidentiality, and they have some added more over there. Accountability, see. So you need to see what are the transactions, and you need to double check from A to Z. And then assurance. Assurance means to make sure that the things are smooth and the things are according to the correct policies over there. So assurance, when I'm talking about assurance, so planning and policy should come in your mind. The fourth definition is it is not a definition. It is just it's a general term that can be used regardless of the form of the data may take. So electronic it is just like so these three are like the most important definitions that we have it.